are going to be making cheese state cookies. Because आप जब सबको पता ही थे अभी सब बच्चों की स्कूल की छुट्टियां आनी समर वेकेशंस चल रही हैं तो I thought that why don't we make a very easy simple recipe which does not require not a lot of cleanings. Beware mothers, don't worry, इसमें तो cleaning नहीं है 5 मिनट लगते हैं सिर्फ. And today we have our I have my cousin here with me, Amal.
Assalamu alaikum.
And we both will be making this yummy delicious cheese state cookies. Oreo. So first we need Oreos. We're using right because these have like a more thicker and like their biscuit is a little bit more thicker, so that's why we're using right. We're going to be using 120 grams of plain flour maida and then 200 grams of sugar. We will also be using 125 grams of butter and 125 grams of cream cheese.
So now we have cream cheese. So this is the first ingredient that we're going to be adding to our bowl.
We're going to be also be adding butter, and then we're going to just whisk them all together.
Now we're gonna add our butter.
And then we're going to whisk it together. We are done mixing our batter. Now we're going to be adding our flour like gradually in small proportions, and we want to mix it as well. So like we're going to add like 1 chammach and then mix it.
Now we have mixed our butter and cream cheese.
It's
and
very creamy. We want it to be like super blended. We don't want any like separated chunks.
Yes. And now we're going to add our granulated sugar.
And then we're going to be whisking it again.
So now we have the batter ready, and now we're gonna add the main thing, Oreos.
You can see it's a little bit doughy, and that's what we want because we will be refrigerating it for 1 hour.
1 hour.
So first we're going to incorporate our Oreos. We don't want to use a whisk. We want to use we want to do it by hand so that it doesn't break the Oreos too much. Oreo batter, cheese state batter is done, and now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. It has been 1 hour and our tutti dough has fully set. We don't want it to become too hard, but we don't want it to be too soft. We want it enough to make balls. Now we're going to be using a ice cream scooper, and we're going to just get a piece, and we're going to put it on this, and we're going to set them all.
So we have preheated the oven. Now we're going to put this inside the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
Our tutties are out of the oven and they are ready to be eaten. Hope you liked this video, and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.